This quick video is about how to change our privacy settings on Twitter iPhone. Okay, let's open Twitter and tap on your profile, then settings and privacy. Now privacy and safety. On this page you can customize your privacy settings. Like here you can protect your tweets from others except your followers. And here you can enable and disable sensitive content on Twitter. If you turn on this, you won't see any sensitive content. And if you turn off, then you will see sensitive content if present. And here you can control what type of content or categories you want to see on Twitter. Explore settings. If you turn on this, you will receive local news information based on your location. And if you turn off, you will receive general information and news. And here you can block or mute accounts, and you can also control notification settings. Then location information. If you turn on this, you will receive personalized information or contents, news feeds on Twitter by using your current location. Likewise, you can change these other things. It's completely your wish. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.